We all make countless decisions every day. Sometimes these decisions are very easy to make, like what to wear today or what to have for lunch. Other times the decision is a lot harder, like whether or not to take a new job offer or whether to move across the country. What makes some of these decisions so hard? Ambiguity. Ambiguity is when there's an unknown amount of information present in a situation. When we are faced with ambiguity, it creates uncertainty and unease in our minds. This cognitive bias has a big impact on our lives, both mentally and emotionally. In this video, we will explore the ambiguity effect in detail and discuss why it happens and how we can avoid it. Ambiguity is everywhere in our lives. We encounter it daily, whether we realize it or not. For example, when you're trying to decide what to wear to your friend's wedding, you're faced with ambiguity. You don't know what the weather will be like, what the dress code is, or even what your friend might think of your outfit choice. This can lead to a feeling of unease and anxiety. The ambiguity effect happens when we let this feeling of uncertainty guide our decision-making process. We tend to avoid situations that are ambiguous and instead choose options that are more certain. For example, if you're given the choice between two different jobs, one that pays more but has less job security and one that pays less but has more job security, you are likely to choose the latter option. This is because we prefer the certainty of a stable income over the ambiguity of a higher salary. The ambiguity effect can have a big impact on our lives both in the short term and in the long term. In the short term, it can lead to us making suboptimal decisions out of fear of uncertainty. In the long term, it can hold us back from taking risks that could lead to new opportunities and experiences. The ambiguity effect is a cognitive bias that we all need to be aware of if we want to make optimal decisions in our lives. There are a few ways that we can avoid it. The first way is to be aware of it. Once you're aware of the ambiguity effect, you can start to catch yourself when you're making decisions based on fear of uncertainty. The second way to avoid the ambiguity effect is to embrace ambiguity. This may sound counterintuitive, but by embracing ambiguity, we can actually become more comfortable with it. Try to seek out new experiences and opportunities that are ambiguous. By doing this, you will slowly start to become more comfortable with uncertainty and less likely to let it guide your decision-making process. Ambiguity is everywhere, but that doesn't have to be a bad thing. It can actually lead to new opportunities and experiences if we let it. So the next time you're faced with such a decision, try to embrace the ambiguity and see where it takes you.